Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I am making Jamaican style red pea soup. So if you're not subscribers yet, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join the family. I have some amazing video on my playlist, so don't forget to check that out. So these beans are some kidney beans that I got in Walmart, and the first thing I'm going to do is rinse them. So now that my beans are properly rinsed, I'm gonna put it on medium to high heat and add 2 tablespoons of salt. For my meat, I'm using chicken breasts, and I already rinsed them and they're diced to the size that I want them to be. And I'm just gonna add them to my boiling peas with some scallion, and I'm also gonna add some scallion later on, but this is just to add some extra flavor while the meat is cooking. Now for my vegetables, I'm using potatoes, carrots, corns, and I'm gonna add some chocho and some yams. Now I'm gonna make my dumplings, and I'm gonna make 2 different types. So starting off with the flour dumpling, I'm just gonna add 1 cup of flour, like a half teaspoon of salt, and then I'm gonna gradually add my water until I have the consistency like as a play-doh. If you don't know what dumpling feels like, it should feels like a play-doh when you're done. Now moving on to my cornmeal dumpling, I'm just gonna add the same amount of flour and the same amount of salt, and then I'm gonna add 3 tablespoons of cornmeal. So for my cornmeal dumplings, I'm just gonna make some small round ones. Now for my plain flour, I'm just gonna make some spinners. Yeah, I'm just gonna make some big spinners because I really don't have time to make the small ones. Now I'm just gonna allow my dumpling to cook for about 5 minutes, and then I'm gonna add all my vegetables and my seasonings. Now for my seasoning, I'm gonna add my scallion, my thyme, and I'm gonna go in with some Jamaican cock soup. Now my soup is done. This is how I want it. If you want your soup to be thicker, then you leave it on the stove a little bit longer. That's it for today, guys. If you guys enjoy this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed us yet, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button for more amazing videos. Thank you for watching, and I love you all, and I'll see you guys in my next video.